video is going to be on this look right here using the new, well, it's not really new anymore, but the BoxyCharm and Purr palette and a lot of other new goodies that I got and I mentioned in my last video, and I'll link that down below if you're interested. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I am going to prime my lids with the NYX eyeshadow base, the white one. For today's look, I'll be using the BoxyCharm and Purr collab palette, and the colors in this look gorgeous. So I'm going to take the shade Perfect, that neutral nude skin tone color, and I'm going to set that eyeshadow base with that. In my crease, I'm going to take the shade Belle, start that right in the crease, and just blend that up and out. So I'm just gonna go straight in with the Do It shade. It's that dark deep brown. See how that goes. I don't like this shade. Hopefully I can make it work. I'm actually gonna dip into my Jekyll Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take her browns because that one's just god awful. Her palette, y'all know what her palette looks like. I'm gonna take the shade Mocha, fix this, and just keep it low. That looks better. Just make sure that that pink really stands out above that brown. I'm gonna go in with the shade Charmer in the BoxyCharm palette, and I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna spray my finger with the e.l.f. Aqua Mist. There we go. The Tarteist Clay Paint liner and the brush that comes with it. I'm going to be using a new pair of lashes today. These are the Kiss Flirty Look So Naturals, although they don't look that natural, but I have yet to try them. So I'm going to today. While that dries, I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup. I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 220 because this is the only shade of foundation that fits me because I'm tan, and I've been using the Morphe sponge that I really enjoy, but today I'm just going to use the brush. What I actually have been really enjoying is just the No Pore Film Primer. I know when I first reviewed it or first talked about it, I said that I didn't really see a difference and I didn't know if I actually liked it, but I have come to the conclusion that I do like it. Oh my god, there's glitter literally everywhere. I don't see like a huge difference with my pores, but I do notice that it does keep the foundation on like really nice for longer than normal. And for lash glue, I'll be taking the Kiss Lash Glue. This is the Hard Candy Color Corrector. Taking my Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. Taking the Perfect Arch Clear Brow Gel. Taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Okay, so I do have a new blush to use. It's from the brand Pretty Vulgar. It looks really nice. It's in the shade Make Them Blush. Or Hush Blush, I don't know. Very cheap packaging, but I think this is like super inexpensive, so. Okay, tap some of that off. Very light hand today. So I have also a new highlighter I have not used. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlight. And this is the Blossom Glow one. I love the flower detail in that. She ain't bad, she ain't bad. I don't know how pink it's showing in the camera, but in this it's pretty pink. I am gonna go over it with another highlighter though. I enjoy that, it's good, especially for the price. Wet n Wild is a really good brand. I'm gonna go ahead and put on these new lashes. Now I normally don't have to cut Kiss's lashes to fit my eye, but these are beautiful. I mean, I wouldn't say that they make my eyes look natural, but they ain't bad. I am actually going to go in with the Maya. Ooh, girl, that be looking good. And for the inner corner, I'm going to be taking from the Jaclyn Hill palette the shade Beam. That's my favorite inner corner highlight. It just makes a world of a difference. Taking the L'Oreal Carbon Black. So for lips, I have a couple different options. I got some new things in from ColourPop, and I also have some new ones from Stila. So I'm gonna do Stila's in Caramello. While that dries, I am gonna put some more highlight on just because that's not enough for me. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero Focus palette Forever Young. Ooh. There we go. And over top of that, I'm going to take the ColourPop and I Love Cerai Ultra Glossy Lip in Atoller. Ooh. I love that. I haven't worn a gloss in a while. But it's not one of those sticky glosses where your lips like look like they're sticking together. Love that. That is it for today's video. I really do. I like this palette a lot. This is actually a really good palette. And like I said, it came in one of my BoxyCharms. I believe it was May. Or it could have been April. I haven't filmed in a long time, so. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.